In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account in Zimbabwe in just 5 minutes. Setting up your PayPal account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to PayPal's website by typing in paypal.com home. Once you are on the home page, look for the sign up button and give it a click. This will direct you to the account setup process, which is quick and user-friendly. Next, you'll see options for different types of accounts. For most individuals, a personal account will suit your needs best. Select personal account and then click on Get Started. This option is perfect if you're looking to shop online or transfer money to friends and family securely. Now it's time to fill in your details. Enter your full name, your email address, and create a strong, memorable password. Be sure to choose a password that you don't use for other accounts to ensure better security. Once you've done that, make sure you select Zimbabwe as your country from the list provided. This is crucial to ensure your account settings are correct for local transactions. Moving on, you'll provide additional personal information. This includes your full name, address and phone number, among other required details. Ensure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid issues with verification later on. PayPal takes your privacy seriously and keeps your information secure. At this point, you have the option to add a bank account, debit card or credit card to your PayPal account. This step is essential for verifying your account and for enabling you to make transactions. While adding a payment method might seem daunting, rest assured that PayPal uses encryption to keep your financial information secure. In some instances, you might need to verify your account by either linking it to your bank or by providing additional information. This step is crucial as it elevates the security of your account, ensuring that you can use PayPal with peace of mind. Lastly, before your account is fully set up, review PayPal's terms and conditions. It's important to understand these terms as they detail how PayPal handles transactions and your rights as a user. Once you're satisfied, click on the Agree and Create Account button to finalize the process. Now your PayPal account is ready to use for shopping online, sending or receiving money, and more. Congratulations on setting up your PayPal account in Zimbabwe. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to keep your login information secure and enjoy the convenience of PayPal.